Happy Pride Wednesday, guys! Yay! Hey guys, this is your girl Jessica. Welcome back to my channel again. Today's video, we are going to be doing a Pride beautiful makeup look. As you can see, today I am going to be doing just a rainbow, simple, just fun look, just to add a little tribute for celebration for Pride. Well, let's get to our tutorial and slay this beautiful look. Okay guys, so I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone with this white shimmer shade. Okay, now we're going to be jumping in with the color yellow, and we're going to be placing that right by the inner corner and just blending. Now we're going to be jumping in afterwards with the orange color, and we're going to be blending that right next to the yellow. Now I'm going to be getting a pink shade color, and I'm going to be placing that right next to the orange, and we're going to start blending that color. And last but not least, we are going to be grabbing the red shade, and we're going to be placing that right at the outer corner and blending it with the pink shade that we placed. Now we're going to just be cleaning that with a M433 brush. Now we're going to be jumping in with the other eye. We're going to be starting off with the green shade, and then afterwards with the blue, and then the purple. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to be cutting the crease and placing the next step, which is going to be the glitter. Okay, now we're going to start cutting our crease. Now I'm going to be grabbing my NYX Gold Glitter and NYX Primer. We're going to prime our eyelid and placing that into where we cut the crease and adding our glitter. Now I'm going to be placing my Kat Von D eyeliner. Okay guys, so I'm going to be finishing up the eyes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, the lashes are on. I did place some color under my lower lash line. So now we're going to be jumping into highlight since we already did the bronzing and the full face. Now we're going to be jumping into our lips and I'm going to be placing my Wet n Wild Catsuit and Oh Dolly. So I'm going to be grabbing my Amrezy and I'm going to be placing a little bit of highlight into my inner corner. And last but not least, I'm going to be setting the makeup in place. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, my Pride makeup look. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and push that notification for my future videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.